Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we have a very nice question in which we have I plus I square plus I cube over I to the power 3 plus I to power 4 plus I to the power 5. So how we will solve this? So let's take I common from the numerator. So we are left here 1 plus, so I square will be written I here, because if we divide I square with I, we are left with simply I, plus I cube divided by I gives you I square. Okay, and in the denominator we will do the same, but here we can see that we can take common I to the power 3. So I to the power 3, and we are left with 1 here and I, plus here it will be I to the power 2. So we can see that this and this is same, so we can cancel this thing, and we are here left with I over I cube. So here we can see that bases are same, so in this case when bases are same the powers can be subtracted. So that means 1 minus 3 will be equals to 1 upon I square, and if we know that I square is equals to -1, so let's substitute this -1 to here. So it will be 1 over -1, and that gives you -1. So that means option A is correct.